Model, 67-plate Peugeot Bipper 1.3 HDi Euro 6 Professional needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 66,284. MOT, the 21st of December 2023. Engine, 1248 cc F13DTE5 E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn and turbo will need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Engine is 100% green. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI.